In this video, I'll teach you how to uninstall apps on MacBook. There's two different methods to uninstalling. One is to do a traditional quick uninstall of an app the way you're supposed to do on a Mac, but a lot of people want to ensure that every single file from this app is deleted on the Mac, and I'm going to show you how to do that with an alternative method. Now, if you just want to do a quick delete, just go down here at the very bottom and locate the Launchpad. If you can't find it, just go up here in the top right corner and click on the search and go ahead and search for Launchpad. Once you've done that, it should look something like this. Now you just need to go ahead and locate the app that you want to uninstall. So just go ahead and scroll through them. I'm just going to go ahead and uninstall Grammarly for Safari. So to uninstall, just go ahead with one finger on your mouse pad and hold until it goes gray like this, and another finger and drag it down to the bin down here. Like this, and then let go. From here, go ahead and click delete up here. And now you've uninstalled the app on your MacBook. An alternative method is also just to go ahead and hold on any of the applications until it wiggles like this. And from here you can simply scroll through them, and then you can see all of the apps with a small cross on them. You can just go ahead and click right here and click delete the exact same way. However, if you want to install all of the files that comes with an app and completely wipe it from your computer, go down here and Google Chrome or Safari. And now you need to go to this website right here. It's called freemacsoft.net/appcleaner/. Once you're here, go ahead and scroll down until you see this section over here where it says downloads, and now find a version for your operating system. If you're unsure what operating system you're on, go up here in the top left corner and click on the Apple logo and click on About this Mac. And right down here we can see the operating system right here. So for me, I can see that it's mentioned right here, so I can go ahead and install the top version over here or the newest version. So just go ahead and click, and now it's going to download. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open it by clicking 2 times, and then just go ahead and click on the big logo here in the middle with one finger and drag it down to this bar down here. From there, go ahead and click on it and click open. If you want to, you can go ahead and tick this box where it's going to automatically download and install updates for this application. Go ahead and check that if you'd like to and click check automatically. Now, if you want to delete an app with this software, go ahead and click on the little hamburger menu you see right here. And from here, locate an app that you want to delete. I'm just going to go ahead and delete ExpressVPN here. So just go ahead here and click on it once, and now you can go ahead and click remove over here. Additionally, you can also go ahead and delete all of the files that comes along with it, or untick any if you want to keep specific files. Go ahead and click remove, enter your password, and click OK. And there we go, now the app and all of the files are deleted. And in case you didn't notice, this software can also delete non-App Store apps. But that's pretty much it for this video. That's how you can uninstall apps from a MacBook. I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.